welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ashita Agarwal. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm here with something amazing and new. And as you know by the title itself, then I'm gonna do the swatch and review for you guys because I love the way it turned out. After using it, I can say this is such an amazing shade. I never had this type of pinkish coral rush type of shade for blush, and as you can see, it is highly pigmented, guys. I just tapped once and it is already so much pink. I have to lighten it down. Gonna do a very different kind of look today, and let's see how that turns out. But I'm gonna use my favorite shades, that is dusty shades again, but we are gonna pop it with different eyeliners and eyeshadows plus a lip color, and there's a twist with the lip eyeliner and lip liner, you guys. So we are gonna start with something orangey and this and this one, light and dark orange shades. That is not exactly orange, it is a mixture of dusty and orange. I'm planning to go with very dark shade, and that will be a combination of a brown and a very metallic teal color, that is teal green. Trending thing that is going on, that is soap base or gel based eyebrows, and I'm using aloe vera gel. Next time I'll definitely try a soap. Dark shade of the brown, and this is more reddish side. We don't have to do much. Now we'll complete our look with something a little twist. I use the dark eyeshadow for the cut crease to make a proper shape of the eye and clear cut crease one. This is not exactly a cut crease eye makeup, but this is half a cut crease because I use the very dark to give a proper dominant shape of the eye. We'll do a little touch up to make it more lighter by using the lighter version of colors, this and this. Okay, so whenever you put any lighter shades over this crease of your eye, it gives you a very molding and a very beautiful eye cut shape. So always make this portion a little lighter if you're doing that kind of makeup. This eye makeup is this is for cosmetics Smudge Me Eye Pencil, and this is 2-in-1, and look at the packaging. So look at the yummy color. This is still green color, and the second part is the smudger, which will help us to smudge. I'm loving the color already. Can you see this teal green color? It is so yummy, and I hope just it looks good on me. Okay, I think we have done it enough of the thing. Now it's time to smudge the color, and let's just hope it turns out good because it's tricky. So this is the smudging side. As you can see, this is in a proper, very soothing and very dewy kind of way, because it was very dark, but I smudged it a little bit, and it is blending with the other part of my eye. You can smudge it as much as you want. You can make it a smoky, or I just want it to be stiff and eyeliner, so I'm not smudging it way too much. I'm just keeping it edgy. So as you can see, I didn't smudge anything extra. I just smudged on both the eyes, and I have done with my second eye too. Just a thing that I took the smudger, and there is some product left that I smudged, as you can see. So I didn't do anything, just I brought that part of eyeliner over here and smudged it little bit, blended it to the half of my under eye like that. So after complete my eye makeup, I'll move to the lip requirement, but still I love dusky colors over my face. It looks very neutral, warm, and it always gives you a very neutral look. It doesn't make your face cakey even if you are wearing it extra. So that is the safe side play. So I've already swatched the lip liner over here, and this is this both shades, that is lip liner dusky brown, and this is velvet lipstick. This very important product is left, that is highlighter. I use this, my favorite baby from Master Pro Maybelline, and we are done with our makeup, and it turned out so well. we come to an end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any requests, any queries, please comment down below. I'll put up every name and shades and detail over my screen, and I will leave a link of this cosmetics down in my details section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share to my channel. I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Reviewing. Okay, I'm reviewing. Oh shit, मैं बोल ही नहीं पा रही हूँ. Review.